modified. Again, well, they just add the painting to it. SF90, you guys already know, 1,000 horsepower. This thing is a freaking track weapon. Alright, so we're back at Ferrari again. I feel like I didn't show you guys enough outside because I went inside right away to say hello to my friend Nick, and then I had to go. But we're back here this morning. You know, my hotel is literally like right over there. It's not too far from here. But I gotta come back and show you guys again the lineup out here, okay? We gotta start with the 48 Pista, the F8 Tributo, the F8 Spider, and then these two back here. So let's go check them out. I had a chance to drive F430 Ferrari years ago when I used to work at a dealership, and it was a red one that had that tan interior, and immediately I fell in love with that car right off the bat. And when I started learning more about Ferraris and supercars, I quickly started to learn what's what, and this is a track weapon. I mean, a Scuderia is just freaking, everything changes. I don't know if you can't see the inside really well, but maybe not. But so blurry out here. This thing is a track weapon. I mean, it's built for the track, and this color palette, you can tell the difference from the Scuderia. They all have this two lines in the middle, as you can see, like this up there, and it looks super aggressive. So this is a beautiful car, and again, 1,000 horsepower. Now let's go on to the ones over here, and these are 488 Pista. We have the F8 Spider and then an F8 Tributo, but this one is modified. Okay, this gentleman putting wheels on it. Okay, he switched out the emblems, as you can see, to the carbon emblem, right? Carbon fiber mirrors with the yellow stripe. This is cool. I like that signature on that. But this car looks so aggressive from the front. Look how angry it looks. I mean, they all do, but this one for some reason stands out more than these other two. Drop a comment below, which one would you take? Everyone's gonna choose either that one or the SF90. My opinion, well, if I had a thing to choose, I would probably choose the SF90 because of power, but I think in this situation, the 48 Pista looks more aggressive, and it's got more flavor to it. But at the end of the day, you cannot go wrong with any of these cars right here. These are awesome. Drop a comment if you know the color. Put a comment, let me know, guys, okay? There's another SF90 over there. Just have so many cars here. It's freaking crazy, dude. Let's go to the front of Ferrari, and I want to show you guys the Ferrari Challenge car that's over there, and the new 296 GTV they also have here. Look, here's another one here, another one over there. That is a freaking cool car. You guys know I love that car. And then an F12 over there. So let's go check it out. So I was here yesterday talking to my friend here, and of course, you know, you get carried away talking, and then you forget about to film, because I'm here to film for you guys, my audience, and I appreciate you guys filming for me. But we're gonna go check out this amazing car that's over here. There's a few that are really, really cool. I think this one specifically, the 296 GTB, I think it's called. The color palette, what do you guys think about this car? There is a video by Miss Amelia Hartford where she is ripping the hell out of one of these cars, and they look so freaking cool. Check the video out right now. All right, so now this car has been sold. Ferrari Challenge car here, and again, this is strictly just racing. You know, this is built for the challenge races, as you guys know. I mean, it's got the cage, the seat belts, the steering wheel. I don't know if I can go around and show the steering wheel on this thing. Again, it's been sold, so I'm gonna be respectful. Don't touch anything. But as you can see, steering wheel, see, look at that. So pretty cool, pretty cool. Another SF90 in there. They have so many SF90s in here. Ferrari Roma, California, another Roma, the wagon, and they have an F12 over there. So Ferrari of Naples, guys, as you guys can see, it's beautiful out here. I love Florida. I love this area, Bonita Springs, Naples. It's just amazing to be here. You know, talking to the gentleman yesterday, and they're very relaxing. They're really nice here. So if you're ever in the area, come visit Ferrari of Naples. All right. Now it's time to go on a boat. Check this out. You're gonna love this. It's gonna be awesome. Boat tour, guys. Boat tour. Alright guys, so we are doing a boat tour. Check this out. Look how cool is this? Huh? It's pretty cool. You like that? Enjoying the views out here in Naples, Florida. Some of the beautiful communities out here. Look at that. Really, really pretty. Check this guy's working up there. Not a bad day in the office for this guys. Sunny. So pretty. Love it here. That is a really cool boat. Look at that. OMG. That is sick, dude.